Good morning. I am Arunjeev Singh Barrister, New Zealand. Today I am going to share some information about a workshop which is being organized in New Zealand in January 2016 for the benefit of international students and work visa holders who are coming to New Zealand or who are living in New Zealand for a period of time. As you know, lots of international students are coming to New Zealand to study. As per the figures provided by Immigration New Zealand, over 84,000 international students were granted student visas during September 2014 to October 2015. Such large number of international students coming to New Zealand certainly have some problems, some issues where Immigration New Zealand is unable to respond to their problems, and the local Indian community is very concerned about the issues being faced by international students and some issues faced by local community because of these international students. In order to provide different sources of information and valuable information sharing with international students in New Zealand, New Zealand Indian Central Association NZICA, which is the oldest social organization of Indian community in New Zealand, NZICA is organizing a workshop for international students and work visa holders in New Zealand to impart knowledge and educate international students and work visa holders on 30th of January 2016 from 11 o'clock onwards in Papatoetoe Sports Recreation Center Conference Hall in Sutton Crescent, Papatoetoe on 30th of January 2016. The program of this workshop would be that the first information would be provided by New Zealand Police about law and order issues concerning Indian community and other communities in New Zealand. Secondly, the domestic violence issue, which is growing rapidly in New Zealand, particularly in Indian community in New Zealand who come on student visa or spouse visas. They lack information regarding what constitutes domestic violence, how to prevent domestic violence, and if domestic violence has occurred, what rights and what circumstances the victim could be expected to undergo. So there are few agencies which will help the victims, and there are some agencies or some process what are available to the offenders charged under domestic violence. So the domestic violence issue would be centered around in the meeting, and Judge Ajit Singh of Manukau District Court has kindly accepted to give information and knowledge to the international students and work visa holders in New Zealand. And Revin Bhana, social worker associated with SAVPIN, a social organization in New Zealand, will also throw some light on the rights and necessities of victims of domestic violence, or some agencies which work for the benefit of victims of domestic violence. And then the representative from Auckland Council will give information and share views regarding local issues, personal support, and etiquettes which international students have to have to perform in New Zealand, and some other issues relating to international students in New Zealand would be discussed in that session. And lastly, I will speak on immigration policy, the obligations of international students, and exploitation of workers, and any other issue concerning international students and work visa holders, particularly in respect of the benefit which international students will get from different organizations and agencies which have been instituted in New Zealand. So this workshop is being organized only for the benefit of international students and work visa holders and their spouses. Everybody who is listening to my video is requested, and my humble appeal to everybody that you should also come to this workshop and bring your friends and relatives, if there is any, to this workshop, so that the maximum benefit can reach to you and the international student community in New Zealand.